I'm up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. I got a 1971 big block Chevelle. This is a built 454 and it's very fast. Let's go for a test drive. All right guys, getting ready to take off in a 1971 Chevelle with a built big block. I believe it was a built 454. You turn your fuel pump, your fan on. This is your actual power. It cuts the car off and on. Starts right up without me giving it gas. When it was cold, I think I pumped it twice. It started up. Motor's still cold. It's still below 100 right now, actually. It's like our oil pressure came up to 70. Let her warm up a second. Actually, this gauge isn't hooked up. This one is. It's at 140 now. Horn doesn't work. No power steering. The blower motor works, but there's no air or anything on this car. It's got line lock right here. The tach's working, it's coming up. Don't look like it has a gas gauge, so hopefully we don't run out. The gas gauge back here is maxed out on F, so that means it's unhooked by the tank. With all the mods it's done to this car. Then we got a fuel pressure gauge up here as well, under the hood, under the scoop. This is actually the first time I've driven this car, so. Touching the throttle in this car and it'll blow everything away around me, that's for sure. Let's try the brakes out. Brakes are decent. I'd definitely upgrade the brakes on this car if it was mine, just because how fast it is. I'm not even touching the amount of power that it's giving out. Just barely in the throttle right now. There's no wipers set up. More of a race car in my opinion. I guarantee for a fact, if I'd have got on it at 40 mile an hour back there, it would have got sideways on me. The car is stupid fast, really. Been running on racing gas. Smell it in the air. that was still at me a little over half throttle. I'm a little nervous to nail it. It's a little over half right there. It's just ridiculous. The throttle response is nice. A little slack in the steering, like I said, but this thing screams. Still at 190, which is holding good temp. We're pushing 40 pounds of oil pressure, which is good. This car is extremely fast, so if you come into town and you want to drive it, be prepared for that. We'll only do test drives if you're serious on this one. Built car, a fast car, this is it, that's for sure. This is going to go ahead and conclude my test drive video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you have any other questions, give us a call. 615-822-4444. Be happy to help you out. I've also got about 75 cars in inventory. You can see detailed pictures of every single one of them. Check out MapleMotors.com. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks for tuning in, guys.